Chuki feet.
Fuck you. Alright, what is up, lads? Welcome back to another video. Anyway, yeah, so we're making our way towards your car parts because it's fucking Black Friday, so we're gonna get a bunch of shit and I'll chat to you when we get in it. Peace. Turn what off?
Then turn it off now.
Turn what off?
Turn that.
The video?
Yeah.
The day you can head in and turn it off.
Now turn it on.
Oh. You know I need another phone, you know? Like an iPhone or something that I can put there so it's always in the car. I can use for like GPS or even...
I've got a camera.
What camera?
It's a Nikon.
At home now?
Yeah, at your house now.
You fucking... You need to tell me. Look, I look saucy! The camera, look at the lighting, bro. That's it.
But you need to buy a new SD card.
Oh, the SD card is online on
Yeah. I don't know about how the film quality is.
it should be okay. Oh, it's shaking! It's shaking! Why is it shaking? Alright, this is like the first test I'm doing, right? Recording while driving, but...
Is it the first?
Okay, stop that. Stop recording now. Stop recording. Stop recording, bitch! Stop! Okay, so I go into your car pass and then I come back and then this shit is just dripping, bruv. Like, I don't know what to fucking do. It's sweet. I don't know what to do, fam, but it's leaky. Anyway, fuck that shit. But yeah, what I picked up was pads and disc, air filter, oil filter, engine oil, and a brand new toolbox. I went with 10W40 because that's what people say I should go with, and it looks kind of sick, so but yeah, I'm just trying to get rid of this because the service light came up and the airbag light, so I just sort those out. But yeah, this is my main priority right now. I'm trying to fix this leaky thing. Look at it.
Stop doing that.
Droopy. Got that. But yeah, I'll update you guys later. Yeah, so I went to Screwfix, right? And then I picked up this weather strip because it's, as we speak now, it's still leaking. It's leaking from the two A pillars and this one right part of the sunroof. So I picked this up. I don't know if it's too thick, but it looks like it squishes down. But yeah, I'm gonna have to do that when it's dried. But as for now, I'm gonna put bin bags over the sunroof so the car can stay dry and that. So yeah.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I'm not sure if you guys can see me, but yeah, this is what I managed to do with the roof. So I put like a little bin bag thing over it, and then yeah, that should keep it in place. But yeah, I'll update you guys later. So yeah, this is what the thing looks like. Yeah, just in case you guys are wondering. I shut up. I shut up. Yeah. It gets like that. Huh? Bruv, it's a hoopty. It happens. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it's daytime, but I managed to find a spot that has some light and some shade, like this little car park place up at King's College, innit? And I'm gonna use my toolbox, the brand new one, and I'm gonna take this apart. I'm not gonna record it because there's a video online. I'll just link it in the description, but yeah, I ain't gonna have much time to work with, so I'll let you guys when I'm done, innit? Peace. So, changing the roof, yeah, it didn't really go to plan. Like, it's in there covered up because I can't really do it myself. Yeah. I can't really do it myself, but yeah, so for now it's just like that. So there's an actual hoopty, fam. Just look at that rubbish. Actually, let me show you what it looks from the outside, fam. The outside is something mad, fam. I swear. It looks like that, fam. It's just, bro, it's so pink, fam. But all the light. But yeah, that's how it is at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video and then start the next video tomorrow or something. But yeah, my next video will probably do like my brake install. But yeah, that's gonna do it for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry this wasn't a tutorial. Nothing went to plan, nothing at all. But yeah, it just didn't really work. So yeah, it's Shamsi signing out.